We begin tonight with yet another multi-million shilling case of public theft. The High Court has frozen the accounts of top officials at the Kenya Rural Roads Authority, that's KERRA, for alleged mega corruption. The authority's deputy director in charge of supply chain management, Margaret Wanja Muthui, and her proxies are now barred from withdrawing over 93.5 million shillings held at 3 different bank accounts in the country. Muthui is accused of diverting a whopping 264.5 million shillings to purchase 11 apartment blocks registered under different names. And as Sam Ogina now reports, the Assets Recovery Agency is now seeking to recover all the assets said to be proceeds of public theft.
The High Court case was brought by the Assets Recovery Agency that is seeking to get back what it believes was fraudulently acquired by the Deputy Director at KERRA, Margaret Muthui, and 5 other entities associated with her. Muthui is accused of spending 264.5 million shillings in cash to purchase 11 apartment blocks located in Nairobi's Signature Apartments in Kileleshwa. She is then said to have transferred the properties to Lighthouse Trading Company, Mercy Wamboi Nyambura, Cynthia Wanjiku Nyambura, and Grace Nyambura Nderitu. 8 of the 11 apartment blocks are registered under Lighthouse Trading Company. These include Block B20, C14, C15, C22, C24, C26, C30 and C34. The remaining 3 apartment blocks bear the name of Mercy, Cynthia and Grace Nyambura. This identified as C2, C3 and C16. Further, Lighthouse Trading Company is listed in the case as owning 24 apartment blocks at Taraji residence in Ruaka area of Kiambu County. A probe into the scheme revealing that the Kenya Rural Roads Authority Deputy Director made the purchase of the 11 apartments within 3 months in 2019 in what investigators say was a scheme to hide illegally obtained money. The Assets Recovery Agency has now obtained orders to freeze the accounts and recover the listed properties. Further, the agency has obtained orders to directly receive rental income from the 11 listed apartment blocks to its cooperative bank account until the matter is heard and determined. Likewise, the Chief Land Registrar has been directed to register caveats against each of the apartments to ensure they are not sold or transferred. Those listed as beneficiaries and owners of the properties have been given a 7-day deadline to surrender original land titles, leases, or registration documents on the said properties. In the heightened war on corruption, the agency has frozen the accounts of businesswoman Esther Wagio Njuge, a director at Lighthouse Trading Company. Her fixed deposit account with Cooperative Bank holding 74.7 million shillings. Likewise, a fixed deposit account at Cooperative Bank belonging to the KERRA Deputy Director, Margaret Wanja Muthui, holding 13.9 million shillings has been frozen. The Assets Agency terming this as a well-orchestrated web of money laundering and corruption. The Assets Recovery Agency is a semi-autonomous body created by the Process of Crime and Anti-Money Laundering Act of 2009 with powers to seize and recover ill-gotten public wealth. Sam Ogina, Citizen TV, Nairobi.
All right, a quick correction there. The authority's deputy director in charge of supply chain management, Margaret Wanja Muthui, is with KERRA and not KERRA, like I earlier mentioned. That's a Kenya Rural Roads Authority. That's KERRA.